Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and today I want to talk about Bitconnect site going down, DAV site going down, and kind of talk about crypto and your mentality of investing as a whole. All right, guys. But before we get into that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, come right over here, click the subscribe button, and tick the bell. I'll be giving away free Litecoin every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right. All you gotta do is comment on the video, leave your Litecoin address, and make sure you're subscribed. All right, guys. Now, I want to show you guys this. Okay, this has been up on Bitconnect's website for like 2 days now. Okay, 2 days now, and the site has been down. Okay, not been able to use Bitconnect's site at all. Currently, I'm still invested in Bitconnect. I don't promote it by no means. I don't promote Bitconnect to anybody, but I am still invested right now. Okay, I'm still doing a loan. And that's kind of how it is, guys. But the thing about Bitconnect is that they were hit with a DDoS attack. Okay, that's what they confirmed on their Twitter account. And I want to show you guys what a DDoS attack is. Okay, because I didn't know what it is. I didn't know what was going on, but I wanted to tell you guys what it is. Okay, it says it's the type of DOS attack where multiple compromised systems, which are often infected with a Trojan, are used to target a single system, causing a DOS attack. Okay, and basically what's going on is they're flooding Bitconnect's website with traffic. Okay, from all these different IP addresses, it's getting mixed in with the regular traffic, and they've got Trojans and whatever else attached to them. Okay, and it's causing Bitconnect's website to be unusable. All right, so that's what's going on with Bitconnect. Okay, it's been down for like 2 days now. Since I've been in Bitconnect, I've only seen this happen maybe 2, maybe 3 times, but some of it was scheduled maintenance. Some of it was similar to this, but it only lasted around like 12 hours. Okay, this has been going on for 2 days, so it's starting to get kind of a little weird, right? And there's tons of people, there's tons of FUD out there right now, right? Fear, uncertainty, doubt. There's people that are like, oh, Bitconnect's gone forever. Bitconnect, shouldn't invest in Bitconnect. Bitconnect's such a scam. Whatever, right? There's tons of people saying this stuff, and it's just silly is what it is. It's just silly. And the thing is, every time something like this happens, all the FUD starts up. All the people talk about how it's a scam and whatever. But then Bitconnect always comes back online, and then the FUD goes away, right? And guys, also today, DAV site went down for maybe an hour or two. They're already back up. Okay, it's already back up and running. But they never said why they went down. DAV, they never put on their Facebook page. They never put on their website. They never put on any of that the reason for them going down. So I can't tell you guys for sure what the reason was, but I can tell you guys that I think it was similar to what Bitconnect's going through right now. Okay, I think it may have been a DDoS attack, and just DAV was able to recover a whole lot quicker. Or maybe they didn't get hit as hard. I don't know, right? So that's what's going on. DAV site's back up. Bitconnect still down. I'm assuming they're going to come back from this and going to be able to get the site back up and online. I mean, they have every other time up until today. So I'm just kind of waiting around to see what's going to happen. Okay, I'm not promoting Bitconnect. I'm not pushing that by no means. I just want to give you guys an update of what's going on with Bitconnect, because you guys may be invested in it. I have no idea. Maybe you're watching this and you don't know what's going on with Bitconnect. So I just want to get that out to the world and kind of explain what that company is going through right now. Okay, so now let's kind of talk about the reality of crypto. Okay, if you look at the market, look at this. It's all red. Okay, it's all red, and there's going to be days like this in crypto. Okay, there's going to be months like this in crypto. And what I want everybody to understand is that if you're investing in lending platforms, if you're invested in cloud mining services, if you're invested in coins, ICOs, any type of crypto, I want you all to understand that it is risky. Okay? It is risky. And I want you guys to hear me. Okay? If you can hear me, if you can hear my mic, understand that it is super risky. It's more risky than stocks. It's more risky than real estate. It might be more risky than going to the casino. I don't know. You'll have to figure that last one out. But it is risky. Okay, and what I want you guys to understand, that if you choose to invest in a lending platform, you choose to invest in a cloud mining service, you choose to invest in coins, ICOs, any of this, and the company goes belly up, or your investment goes bad, the coin doesn't launch, the coin tanks, the crypto tanks, it goes way down 50%. I've bought coins that have went down 50%, okay? But I'm not blaming somebody else because of it, okay? So what I want you guys to see is that whatever decision you make in your life, whatever you choose to do with crypto, whatever platform you join, understand that you're taking the responsibility for the decision you made. Okay, Trayvon James made a video today talking about did Bitcoin exit scam, and it was complete clickbait, right? Complete clickbait. But like, he doesn't believe they're exit scamming or whatever. It was just clickbait, and he had people commenting on there saying, Trayvon, if Bitconnect goes under, I'm going to come to your house and steal all the money that I put into Bitconnect or whatever. And they just kept going on and on and on and on, threatening the dude. I don't know how they thought that it was his fault with Bitconnect, right? It just did not make sense to me, because these people are not taking responsibility for their own actions. Like, Trayvon did not pull money out of nobody's pocket, okay? He didn't come to their house, take their money, and invest it in Bitconnect. He didn't do it. So it's just amazing to me the way people act when it comes to investments, okay? Whenever you put your Bitcoin or whatever into a platform, that's completely your decision, okay? Whenever you buy coins with it, whenever you invest in this, invest in that, you're a grown person, okay? It was completely your decision, all right? So I just want to get that across, and I want to explain to you guys that crypto is risky. It's a risky game, okay? If you wanted to be safe, you'd put your money in a CD, and you'd be earning 1% a year for the next 40 years, right? If you wanted to be safer, you'd get into real estate. If you wanted to be safer, you would trade stocks, or maybe you'd have a 401k or whatever. But guys, just understand that if you're one of these people, whenever these sites go down, or whenever FUD starts to spread, and you start to freak out, and you start to swear and just blame everybody and yell scam everywhere, you probably have too much money invested in the platform. All right? You probably have too much money invested in the coins. You probably have too much money invested in the service. So don't over leverage yourself. All right? I'm not a financial advisor. By no means. This is not financial advice. But I'm just explaining to you guys what I'm seeing in the market. Too many people have put too much on the line in crypto. If you can't afford to lose it, you wouldn't take it into a casino and throw it at a slot machine. I would not put it in crypto. Okay, that's what I've said since the channel started, and that's what I'm going to continue to say, is that if you wouldn't take it to a casino and you wouldn't lose it all, I would not put it in crypto. Right? That's just the reality of it. That's the risk. All right, guys. So I just wanted to get on here and kind of update you guys on what's going on with these different websites going down. What's the attacks? What are people doing? Talk about crypto in general, the mindset you need to have, and how you need to be aware of the risk and take full responsibility for what you're doing and your investments. All right, guys. So if y'all enjoyed the video and you want to see more videos about crypto, then click the subscribe button and tick the bell. Okay. This was not a usual video of mine. This is not one that I usually do. Kind of gloom and doom ish, but I just had to get my point across. Okay. I had to explain to you guys about crypto and that there's risks. Okay. There's always going to be risk. How they say it, no risk, no reward. That's how it is with everything. Okay, guys? So if y'all enjoyed the video, you can subscribe, like it, comment. I'll be giving away more free Litecoin tomorrow. All right, guys? Hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all have a good night. Peace.